This piece is roughly in 3 parts. First part start with and finish with in bar 16. Then second part start from its relative minor, which is in bar 17 to bar 34. And the third part start on bar 35 till the end. These are the notes. Okay, so let's take a look at first section. The first section begins with chords: D major, G major, A major, and swing the rhythm as you play. Then the next bar, starting 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 4 to 16, I suggest that you play them hands separately and tap the rhythm as you do. Here's the right hand. By the way, I should play a little slower. Starting bar 5. Sorry, pardon me, I'll do that again. Section 1, putting it hands together. I'll do that, I'll show you in the lesson. And now, moving on to section 2, where it starts on B minor. Same concept, so you want to separate the hand first. Oh, sorry, this is bar 20. Two, three, four. Section 2 and left hand or so this is bar 21. You got some descending line. Okay, let me play that in time. And starting in bar 24, go back to swing rhythm. Seems I messed up in around bar 29. I'll do that again. 29. 1, 2, 3. And that's the end of section 2 of left hand, putting it together. I'll show you in lesson as well. Let's move on to the next part. First two phrases are the same as the beginning, so we're not going through. Let's go to bar 37. Okay, what's unusual? I'll say what this is different from beginning. Left hand, pretty simple. You retain A. So that's the right hand. Check it out again. And putting it together. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So when you practice this piece, careful on the rhythm and do be careful that you want to maintain a steady pulse while doing this swing rhythm. Alright, I'll see you in lesson.